All right, now that you've got your ReLeaf standard kit, we're gonna unbox, unwrap, and show you how to get it hooked up to your operatory. All right, so here I have the package with the tubing. I'm gonna open this first. It comes with the long connector tubes and the shorter ones. So first, I'm gonna take out one of the longer ones. So you've got two connections here. This connection right here is gonna go straight into your high volume evacuation unit. Easy. All right, so for now I'm just gonna set this right here, kind of saddles in there. Next I'm gonna get one of my shorter hoses. It's like this right here. And these can come off, easy. Snap it back on. So I'm gonna connect this. Quick connection here, so easy. It just pushes right on, all right? So then you can actually saddle this piece, this U-shaped piece, in the little holder right there. The final piece, and this is the single disposable piece. I'm gonna open the leaves right here. I'm gonna get one leaf out. All right, now you're gonna attach the single unit leaf to the suction tubing, okay? So it goes on, you're gonna have that hole facing out towards you, and then you're gonna just slide that right on. Make sure it's nice and secure. All right, next I'll show you how to break this unit down, and we'll go to sterilization and see how easy it is to sterilize the leaf.